Dear students, this is your RJ sir. Today we are going to discuss JEE Mains and IIT details.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about JEE entrance exam details. So, first of all, what is the pattern of exam and uh, and also advanced exam and what is the pattern of advanced exam and also what is the career scope for this exams and also we'll discuss NEET National Eligibility Entrance Exam details and exam pattern and career scope comparison between JEE and NEET also today we are going to discuss complete. After this we are going to discuss first topic about atomic structure. Today we are going to start. Okay. Yeah. First listen here all of you. What is today's class here? First of all here JEE joint entrance exam is here. See this joint entrance exam conducted and admission into our entrance exam. It's related to engineering, and agriculture. Engineering and agriculture. Okay, sure. So this is related to engineering and agriculture related. See this engineering and agriculture related. Okay, engineering and agriculture related. So in this, we need to concentrate first of all, what is the pattern of exam here? What is the pattern of exam? First of all, we'll see pattern of exam conducted by the NTA, National Testing Agent, and because this agency we have held in twice in a year, that is mostly January and April. Clear? Every year, January and April, they are conducting this exam. Clear, students? And it is computer based exam. Is 100% it is computer based test. Clear? So this test, what is eligibility for this test? Who can write this exam? That is very important. Who can write this exam? Mostly, we have a confusion. Who can attend this exam first of all? Yeah, we know this. This exam we need to write only 12th standard students. And previously, some students are there writing first year students for practice, but now they are not allowing all these things. It's not going on. But here we are going to apply only those who are appearing 12th and completed 12th, right? So, what is the subjects pattern and everything in this? So, mostly here engineering and architecture courses, mostly for our IITs and NITs and triple ITs and GFITs, other engineering colleges, we are going to study. For purpose, we have here physics and maths, one more year, chemistry, isn't it? So, and for biology students, we have biology. Clear, sir? So, this is a major importance. Next one, JE Advanced also conducted by the triple ITs. So, rotational basis they are conducting. And only 2,50,000 rankers of JE mains eligible for this advanced exam. So, required for triple IT admissions. Mostly those who are qualified and they're getting ranked 2,50,000 rankers below this rank, isn't it? Not above this. They are going to take admissions in IIT. Creation. Now, what is the exam pattern? JEE means we have three subjects. One is physics, chemistry, and mathematical, and there are multiple choice questions, and another section is numerical questions. Okay, totally we have here first subject 100 marks will be there, and totally we have three subjects: physics, chemistry, and math. We have 300 marks. Okay, and JEE advanced also we have two papers: compulsory we need to write. That is a mixing of multiple choice questions and integer type questions. Sometimes here comprehensive and matching type also given. Okay, and more conceptual questions and tricky and analytical type of questions will ask in advanced. Clear? So, what is the career for this completing these courses? For example, you are taking BTech, Bachelor of Technology, B Bachelor of Engineering, Bachelor of Technology, and Bachelor of Landing in double ITs and NITs and triple ITs and GFITs. Okay, and private colleges. Some private colleges also there. After completion of this BTech, we are going to take admission in a MTech PG, that is MBA and civil services. We have here research fellowships and the startup companies and placements in the top companies. We have those who are completed in IIT and NITs and IIIT. They are getting such type of high range placements in our top companies in our India, and you can go for abroad also, right? That is about a JEE and advanced. Now we'll see here NEET, National Eligibility Come Entrance Test. Okay, student. So this exam conducted by the NTA again, and this NEET is conducted for admission into medical and dental courses, that is MBBS and BDS and AYUSH, veterinary and nursing courses, etc. Okay, so we have that is important for us. NEET means we have a common sense, that is doctor. Clear? So in any way, in MBBS doctor or BDS or AYUSH or veterinary, anybody is for doctor purpose, we are going to write this exam. Clear, sir? And what is the exam details here? Conducted by again NTA, National Testing Agency, and held once per year. It is not twice, it is held once per year. Clear, sir? So mostly this exam, mostly every year they are conducting in May. Okay, mostly May. Okay, so that is your whatever we discussed here, JE mains and advanced, they are online test. Actually they are online, but this is offline test. We call it is paper pencil test or paper pen test. Okay, so that is a offline exam, we can say this. So what are conditions for eligibility? Here also we have here 12th class, those who are completing first year and they are going to write an annual examination, their board exams appearing, then these people are eligible to write this exam. So what is the subject here? So physics is there, chemistry is there, and biology. We call here PCB, physics, chemistry, biology. Biology contain botany and zoology. Clear? So this is the eligibility subjects. What is the exam pattern here? Yeah. Here also we have three subjects: physics, chemistry, and biology. We have 200 questions, and previously some patterns are there here. 180 to be answered. Remaining will be exceptions, and 720 marks. And mostly we have 180 plus 180 plus 180 like that. Botany and zoology we have biology. So 360 marks in biology, 180 marks in chemistry, 180 marks in physics. Clear, students? Totally 720 marks we need to get in this. Now negative marking, very important this is. So negative marking -1 for wrong answer. Same as it is in JE advanced, JE mains also we have negative marks, that is -1. Clear? So don't forget that is -1 is there. So wrong answer questions. Next, here also, what is the career scope of this completing year NEET? So that is your national eligibility come entrance test. What is the use of this? Means we are getting admissions into government and private medical colleges for pursuing MBBS and BDS, and just now what we discussed Ayush, okay, and veterinary and nursing related medical courses. Clear, sir? In private colleges, government colleges. And here, what are the other options in doing this completion of NEET? So BAMS and BHMS, BUMS and BSMS, BVSS, okay, and BS in nursing and paramedical field. We have here entrance for this, entering and admission for this exam. Clear, student? And after completion of this degree, you go for your MS and MD, like the PG course, PG medical course. We have a research and doctor in hospitals. You can work as a doctor in hospitals, armed force medical services, and military, etc. We can work, right? So, what is a major comparison with these courses? You can see here comparison here, major comparison here. First of all, JE is a related engineering and technology. That is a field of our JE exam. Okay, that is a what is a area we need to go for this. JE means engineering or technology related course. Clear? And the NEET means here we just now discussed medical and health related. And whatever subjects just now we discussed here overview, that is physics, chemistry, maths for JEE. And NEET we have here NEET, and we get here physics, chemistry, and biology. So mode, that is very important. Online main exam, online advanced exam. Okay, and here NEET also we have here mostly NEET also we have same as this offline exam. Just now what we discussed, only offline five. You know, only 1 year. But these two exams are twice in a year. Clear? So attempts you can see two times per year, and here one times in a year. And what is mains, once advanced. That is clearly they mentioned. Difficulty level. This is very important for JEE and NEET. Yeah, we have here these exams are very high level and high concepts, very heavy means the concept will be asked, especially and what I have experienced throughout this my career. So while asking the students and lecturers, those who are already joined in NITs or IITs, I take some review of the students. What I got here, mostly high level math is there. High level maths means work more, and we need to get here more formulas, and we need to merge so many formulas to get the answer. Like this here, we have high and heavy concept for especially maths. So okay, next one here, one need heavy and mostly this also somewhat physics is tough here for mate students. Chemistry is comparatively physics somewhat good, and botany and geology not matter. So we can get more marks in botany and geology, but especially physics very tough for them by these students. So memory based questions will ask, and very accuracy, and we need to follow mostly here. We can say here NCRT books for botany and geology and chemistry and physics. Okay, so we can say at last year, short, you if you want to love math or technology or coding and machine languages, that is we can say artificial intelligence, what we can discuss here, robotic technology, whatever, you need to go for GE. No, sir, I won't like this math and technology, all these things, machine language, all these things. Yeah, you can go with botany and zoology. That is, you can love biology and medicine and human body and healing of all these things. So you love chemistry, right? And also you besides physics, you go for NEET. That is your career. Clear, students? So that is our totally joint entrance exam and NEET exam details. So once we go through that, all the details, again you can see here. So that is here full way. You can take screenshot also if you want. So see this. So these are the complete information about our NEET and JEE students. Clear, students? So that is. Thank you.
Hello, my dear students. Please subscribe my channel for more details in JEE mains and advanced and NEET exams for chemistry.